Hey everyone, it's Rainy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.
Hey, hey.
We are here at Port St. Lucie and we have a treat for you.
Yes.
Port St. Lucie is trying to set the record for the most golf carts in a parade. I think they just might win this one.
They might. It's supposed to be, I think, 73 golf carts. So it's St. Patrick's Day, and of course the virus is on everybody's mind. But this is one way that you can gather and have a good time with a lot of people. And we just wanted to share this with you, and hopefully this brings you a little bit of happiness.
Puts a smile on your face.
Puts your smile on your face.
Keep smiling.
Yep, puts a little green in your life.
Oh, they're getting ready.
They're getting ready. We hear the horn.
tuned.
Stay tuned. We'll show you the parade, and everyone stay safe and do good things. Talk to you soon.
Can't see what's behind me either.
Ella, here she is. You two, turn around.
Be sure to wave. Oh, you look adorable. Hello. Are they going around in a circle? Hello there. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Hey,
Hello. Oh, hold on.
Hello. Hello there. Hello, hello. I love your cart.
Thank you.
Hello.
These are very nice.
How many carts are there?
I don't know. Quite a few.
Wow. Hello. Aww. Too much fun. Here we go now.
How you doing?
Doing good, guys. Looks awesome. I love the green. Nice hair. Oh my goodness. Hello.
Hi.
Hey you. How are ya?
Good.
Hey Billy.
Hey,
how you doing? Hello. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're getting into it here. Oh, too sweet. Hello, neighbors. Go Michigan. Hey, Ed. Hello there. Oh, we got candy. All right. Hello, hello. This is awesome. Hello. Oh. Hi there. You look awesome. Oh, how fun. I look at your clothing. Oh, thank you. All right. All right. Thank you. You've got to love it here at Port St. Lucie. Hello. Come on down. Your cart looks awesome. Hello. Love the cart. Oh my goodness, what do we have here? Nice job. Hello. Oh my goodness, and there we have it. I'm not sure how many carts there were or if they broke the record, but they sure had a great time.